Let's review the different parts of the cell membrane using this illustration. First of all, the cell membrane is made of a phospholipid bilayer. This means there are 2 layers of phospholipids. This is a phospholipid. You can see the polar head, which is yellow, and the non-polar tails, which are these lines. Since the head is polar, it's going to be hydrophilic, which means it likes water, and since these tails are non-polar, they're going to be hydrophobic, which means they don't like water. In the phospholipid bilayer, the tails point inwards while the heads point outwards. This is because the cytoplasm and extracellular liquid contains water. So the phospholipid heads are going to be found on the outside and the tails are going to be found on the inside. Within the membrane, you're going to have these things called membrane proteins. These membrane proteins serve many different functions within the cell, but the main thing they do is they help regulate what enters and leaves the cell. You can have integral proteins which span the whole cell membrane, or peripheral proteins which don't span the whole membrane and can sit on top of one side of the membrane or phospholipid bilayer. We also have these orange structures here which are cholesterol, and they help add fluidity to the cell membrane. On the outside surface of a cell membrane, we also have things called glycoproteins and glycolipids. Like the name implies, glycoproteins occur when we have a sugar molecule attached to a protein. Glycolipids occur when we have a sugar molecule or many sugar molecules attached to a phospholipid. These structures help our immune system recognize your cells versus cells that are not your cells. And everything that we just went over is a part of the cell membrane.